Hey guys, this video is going to be about putting a image beside text or wrapping text around an image in Microsoft Word. So let's say maybe you're making a press release or something. You've got a new book out, and you have all this information, and you want to save it as a template or print it as a flyer. Only problem is, when you try to put it next to your stuff, it kind of just looks like garbage. So we're going to work through that real quick. There are some really awesome tools that help you work through this really quickly. The easiest way, if you see this button up here, it says layout options, click on that. And this is your text wrapping, kind of like a shortcut to the text wrapping. And we're going to choose square. And what that does is it just says, hey, square around this, we are not going to put text in that area. Now you can tighten the borders a little bit with this tight option, and you'll see this gap reduces some. And if you have different shaped images, things like this could work for you, but with this it's just a square image. Now if you just wanted text on the top and bottom, you could do this, but we're going to just go with square for this purpose, and you can place it wherever you'd like, and you can see the text moves and adjusts in real time based on where you're dragging your image. We really appreciate you guys watching our videos. We make these for you guys, and we always want to know that we're making content that helps you guys out. So if you have a chance, leave a comment if you have anything to add, or if you find this video helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for us. We appreciate it. Thank you guys.